Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today, a very quick tutorial to show you how to remove a payment method on DoorDash. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to obviously open the app and connect to your account, and then go to your account. In the top, you will see a browse section, and just on its right, you will see a profile icon. Click on it, and then here it will open the account page. So scroll down a bit until you see a payment button. Click on payment to manage payment methods and DoorDash credits. Click on it, and then here you will see all your saved payment methods. So choose any of the payment methods that you want to delete, and then just swipe left on it. And here you will have a red delete button. You can't miss it. Just click on the delete button, and that's it. The payment method will be deleted. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.